2 Paul 15, do you need another?
2 Paul 15, affirm if you got another unit you want to send it to me.
Copy. 1238, might have it.
And 2 Paul 15, it looks like it's going to be some type of road rage event. I just had a silver Nissan, not sure if it's an Altima. It just starts to run from me from that parking lot as soon as I try to light it up. Occupied one time, white male wearing a black ski mask. And Paul 15, I'm not going after it. It's going to be heading probably south on Broadmoor Plus.
Maybe can you add me to that as well? I'm en route.
Hey, you can add me to Paul 15. I'm with 68. 450.
And 2 Paul 15, I couldn't get close enough for a plate. The first three may have either been Ocean, or possibly Queen. So I don't know if the car was stolen. Sounds like the white truck I gave you, I talked to the RP, so this car followed him down from up north and believes he may have brandished a gun, but he's not certain.
450.
And 2 Paul 15 of the units that are heading down here. If you want to just get in the area or Broadmoor Bluffs and Farthing. The car went that direction, so it'll have to probably come back out that way unless it goes all the way over to NORAD Road. And Paul 15, and he intentionally looked right at me, and then when I lit him up, and then tried to get me to chase him.
0452.
268, 288, Kimberly area.
0453.
798, Chicken area.
453.
Or copy. Queen Ocean Sam 672 on the Ultima. Southbound 115 approaching Fort Carson.
Copy, say that plate again. Queen Ocean Sam.
672.
0454.
Paul 15, that's going to be it. That's the first three that I saw.
80's Adam 4. I'm coming down NORAD Road right now towards the intersection with Fort Carson. You taking the exit or is you continuing your group?
You turn in front of Fort Carson East, northbound 115.
Copy.
3 I can approach northbound from Academy at the intersection now.
4 East right
40.
We're at O'Connell Boulevard.
Adam 4, you stopping that vehicle?
Adam 4, step up cover.
Cover, step up, code 3 to Adam 4's location. This channel will be code 1.
You know. 2-3, code 3. He's got a gun.
Copy, gotta go.
68, keep him coming, keep him coming.
All units continue code 3.
He's got 23 stop cross. Are you guys up on the ramp?
94, shots fired. Officers approach.
Copy, shots fired. 2 Bigger 14.
68, shots fired. We're giving command. Come over. Yeah, we're right outside the gate. Get Fort Carson over here. Great, they're on NORAD Road. Let's start medical. Get him safe.
Copy, so go.
Paul 15, medical code 3.
Copy, where do we need him at?
NORAD right outside of the gate.
Exit 43 Alpha. Copy, exit 43 Alpha.
68, 115. 23, it looks like a chest wound and I got a weak pulse.
Copy, suspect or officer?
Suspect officers are code 4.
Copy, officers or code 4. Vehicle's clear.
Paul 15, I copy. Paul 15, if it haven't done so, notified to the lieutenant.
Paul 3, I'm code 4 on that.
Right, you just pulled up, bring another med kit. Okay, great, let's let AMR know we've got 2 wounds on the back, 1 through the chest and 1 on the arm.
Paul 15 to 38, are you guys at gate 1?
68, can you repeat?
Paul 15, the map is showing them out at O'Connell Boulevard in 115.
23, if you're coming southbound 115, take the NORAD exit and go east. It's right outside the gate. 68, we are right outside gate 2. 68, CPR started.
Copy, CPR start.
Paul 15 is confirming we have medical coming code 3.
Paul 15, copy. 4 Carson send the medical as well as C. 2 Paul 15, are you command? 2 Paul 15, I'll show you his command.
2 Paul 15.
2 Paul 15.
We're code 4 here. We're not going to need a code 1. Let me know how you are for resources or if we need to take this to a different channel. And then also we've got Fort Carson Medical's on scene right now.
Copy. We can keep it on this channel for now. This channel will be clear code 1.
Copy. And if you can annotate times on the call screen for me. So again, we should have when CPR began, and then also now Fort Carson Medical on scene and they're rendering aid.
Copy. Medical's on scene at 5:08, and I do have the CPR started time in there as well.
2 Paul 15.
Better drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Back up!
Drop the gun!
Back up!
Adam 4, step up cover. Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Back up!
Drop the gun!
Back up.
Drop it!
Adam 4, shots fired. Officers to code 4. Where's the gun?
Drop the gun!
I can't see it.
I can't see his hands.
Put your hands out! Put your hands above your head! We want to get you help! Put your hands above your head! Hey, cover him from here. His hands look clear from the front. If you want to cover me, I'll move up on him.
Okay. Do not move your hands. Cover on this side.
I don't know where the gun is.
Alright, let's get those sirens off. Let's get a med kit.
Yep, I got a med kit right here. Come on.
2-3, it looks like a chest wound, and I've got a weak pulse. Hi, buddy. Hey, I'm Officer Davidson. Suspect, officers, or code 4. Do you have scissors? Yep, let's get something else going. Okay.
Don't have any scissors in here.
Okay. So I've got one on the chest, I think, that I've got. Okay, get it. You got it. Grab the scissors.
Just get out of the way. Let it crash. It's
Get
fine.
the scissors. Ski, scissors. That's fine. Okay.
got a gun.
Drop the gun. Back up. Back up.
Drop it! Scoot over. .68, keep him coming, keep him coming. Pepper! He's got 23 cop car.
Where's the gun?
Drop the gun!
I can't see it.
I can't see his hands.
Put your hands out. Put your hands above your head. We want to get you help. Put your hands above your head.
268, shots fired. We're giving commands. He's still not responding. 68, we're right
cover
outside
him
the
from
gate. Get Fort Carson over here. I got cover. Show me your hands right now. Show me your hands. Show me your hands.
His hands look clear from the front. If you want to cover me, I'll move up on him.
Okay. Do not move your hands. Cover on this side.
I don't know where the gun is.
68, one detained.
Alright, let's get those sirens off. Let's get a med kit.
Yep, I got a med kit right here.
Okay, perfect. Hey, buddy, can you talk to me? Hey.
Come on.
2-3, it looks like a chest wound and I got a weak pulse. Hi, buddy. Hey, I'm Officer Davidson. Suspect, officers, or so forth.
You need another kit, Ford?
Yep, let's get some.